an ICU nurse and I wanted to create a more compassionate environment for families when they've lost a loved one. Over the years, we've made thousands of blankets and gifted them to the families. They're all different prints.
Nancy Roberts, a faith community nurse for Lee Health, started the Compassion Blanket program in 2009. And over the past 14 years, volunteers have been weaving threads of compassion for Lee Health patients at hospitals like Gulf Coast Medical Center. It's a small gift for someone who has lost a lot.
I've also had someone say that they buried their loved one with it because it was so meaningful.
Meaningful enough that Lee Health covers the cost of the materials for the blankets through grants. But what the program lacks now is volunteers to sew them.
So I asked Nancy if it was okay if I made the announcement at my church.
Reverend James Bowman Harris, a chaplain here at Gulf Coast Medical Center, making that call for volunteers at his church, Fort Myers United Church of Christ.
Right after service, 2 of the women in my church popped up and was like, hey, here's my name and number, and I was able to pass that on to Nancy.
Nancy says they don't have a consistent number of volunteers due to so many seasonal visitors in Southwest Florida.
Volunteers are the heart of the Compassionate Blanket program.
And at that heart are people who know during some of the hardest times for patients,
Those moments of reassuring them that we are not truly saying goodbye.
this small gift is not worth giving up.
I've been an ICU nurse in the past, and when your patient passes away, you feel a loss.
You can find more information on how to get involved at fox4now.com. At Gulf Coast Medical Center, Colton Chavez, Fox 4.